Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Forza Horizon 5 using the official Xbox website and how to choose the edition that you want. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Now search for Xbox and open the official Xbox website from the search results. Once the website is open, use the search option and search for Forza Horizon 5. Now select Forza Horizon 5 from the search results. You'll be taken to the official game page, where you can see information about the game, its editions, and the available options. Look for the Choose Edition option and click on it. Here, you'll be able to see the different editions available for Forza Horizon 5. Choose the edition you want to purchase or access. After selecting an edition, you'll see the available options for getting the game. If you already have or want to use Game Pass, you can choose the Game Pass option and follow the instructions to get access through your subscription. If you prefer to purchase the game directly, select Buy Game and continue with the purchase process. You may need to sign in to your Microsoft or Xbox account before completing the purchase. Make sure you're using the account you actually want to use for playing the game, because the purchase or Game Pass access will be associated with that account. Review your selected edition and the price before continuing. Then complete the payment process using one of the available payment methods. Once the purchase is successfully completed, you can go to the Xbox or Microsoft gaming app on your supported device, sign in with the same account, find Forza Horizon 5 in your library, and start the download. Make sure you have enough storage space available before starting the installation, because Forza Horizon 5 is a large game and the download can take some time depending on your internet connection. After the download and installation are finished, you can launch the game and start playing. And that's how you can officially get and download Forza Horizon 5 through Xbox. This video is made for educational purposes. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more useful gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.